Hey there, project managers, engineers, and construction pros. Have you ever been part of a project that just seemed to spiral out of control? Maybe deadlines were missed, costs kept piling up, or quality issues kept popping up left and right. Chances are you were dealing with a recurring issue that wasn't properly addressed at its root cause. That's where root cause analysis and corrective action come in. These powerful tools can help you get to the bottom of problems and implement lasting solutions, saving you time, money, and a whole lot of headaches. In this video, we'll dive into the world of root cause analysis and corrective action and show you how to use them to keep your projects on track and running smoothly. What are some helpful problem-solving techniques? Let's start with root cause analysis. This process is all about digging deeper than the surface-level symptoms to uncover the true underlying reasons for an issue or problem. It's like being a detective, gathering clues and piecing together the evidence to solve the case. One popular technique is the 5 whys. It's exactly what it sounds like. You keep asking why until you get to the heart of the problem. Let's try it out. Why was the project delayed? Because we ran out of materials. Why did we run out of materials? Because our supplier couldn't deliver on time. Why couldn't they deliver on time? Because their production line broke down. Why did their production line break down? Because they skipped regular maintenance to cut costs. That last statement sounds like a root cause, but requires some verification. Another handy tool is the Fishbone Diagram, also known as the Ishikawa diagram. This visual aid looks like a fish skeleton with the head representing the problem and the bones branching off into different categories of potential causes like people, processes, equipment, and materials. By breaking it down this way, you can systematically explore all the possible root causes. If you're dealing with complex systems or processes, fault tree analysis might be the way to go. This top-down approach starts with an undesired event and works backwards to identify all the possible paths and combinations of events that could lead to that failure. No matter which technique you choose, the key is to keep digging until you've uncovered the true root cause of the issue. That way, you're not just treating the symptoms, you're addressing the underlying problem. Corrective action. Alright, so you've done the detective work and identified the root causes. Now it's time to take corrective action to prevent those issues from happening again. Corrective action is all about implementing sustainable and effective solutions to address the root causes you've identified. It's not just a quick fix. It's about making lasting improvements to your processes, systems, or operations. The first step is to brainstorm potential solutions. Get your team together, including any relevant subject matter experts, and put on your creative thinking caps. Don't hold back. Even the wildest ideas can spark something brilliant. Once you've got a list of potential solutions, it's time to evaluate them and select the most appropriate ones. Consider factors like cost, feasibility, potential impact, and any risks or unintended consequences. With your solution chosen, you'll need to develop an implementation plan. This should include specific actions, responsibilities, timelines, and any resources or training needed to make it happen. Finally, don't forget to monitor and review the effectiveness of your corrective actions. Are they working as intended? Are there any unintended consequences? Be prepared to make adjustments as needed to ensure lasting success. Now let's bring this to life with some real-world examples of successful root cause analysis and corrective action.
An engineering firm was consistently missing deadlines on their projects, leading to unhappy clients and strained relationships.
A root cause analysis uncovered that the primary issue was a lack of effective project management processes to handle late-breaking, client-driven changes and resource allocation.
The corrective action involved implementing a new project management system, providing training in change management, and establishing a dedicated resource management team.
This led to improved project timelines, increased client satisfaction, and a more efficient use of resources.
As another example, in a manufacturing plant, there was a recurring issue with product defects and rework.
A root cause analysis revealed that the primary issue was outdated equipment and lack of preventive maintenance.
The corrective action involved upgrading to newer, more efficient equipment and implementing a comprehensive preventive maintenance program.
This resulted in a significant reduction in product defects, decreased rework costs, and improved overall product quality.
There you have it, folks, the power of root cause analysis and corrective action in action. By taking the time to truly understand the root causes of issues and implementing effective solutions, you can save time, money, and a whole lot of headaches. So the next time you're facing a recurring problem or issue, don't just slap a band-aid on it. Grab your detective hat, dig deep to find the root causes, and take corrective action to prevent those issues from happening again. If you find yourself struggling with change management on your projects, GateKey Engineering can help. We have expertise and can deliver training for programs where change is to be expected and managed in a positive manner. And hey, if you've got any success stories or feedback to share, we'd love to hear them. Drop a comment below and let us know how you've used these techniques to keep your projects running smoothly. See you in the next GateKey Engineering video.